SAFe for Lean Enterprises is the world's leading framework for business agility. SAFe integrates the power of Lean, Agile, and DevOps into a comprehensive operating system that helps enterprises thrive in the digital age by delivering innovative products and services faster, more predictably, and with higher quality. As per 15th State of Agile survey, the Scaled Agile Framework is the world's leading framework for implementing enterprise agility. 37% of organizations trust SAFe to achieve business agility. Would you like to discuss about business agility and leverage change for your customers' benefit? Have you been wondering how to get your leaders equipped to lead a digital transformation? Join SAFeThursday, a safe place for discussing anything and everything about Scaled Agile Framework. Business agility transformation begins with understanding of SAFe and following the time-tested roadmap for implementation. Tap into a robust community of learners, coaches, and SAFe experts for professional networking. Community at a glance. Members from 50 plus locations worldwide. 1,000 members and counting. Community leaders with 20 plus years of Agile experience. Leverage the knowledge of the largest and most experienced SAFe community in South and Southeast Asia. Embark on the exciting journey of SAFe exploration.